Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center and I'm with David here today to fix an Apple Watch Series 5 with a cracked display. And it's starting the repair right now. Let's go! So David is now removing the broken display, and that's the only way you can access the internal components of an Apple Watch. And we have done a lot of Apple Watch repairs before in this shop, and we have uploaded a lot of videos about it. And this one is kind of really tricky. As you can see, the display is really cracked, and it seems like it's the first time that it has been repaired, so the adhesives are kind of strong. So we're gonna get this kind of sturdier metal to pry off and slice through the adhesive. So the Apple Watch has these connectors directly to the display, so you don't want to yank it right away when you have removed it from the adhesive tapes. You just have to be precise with your movements, and of course slowly open this locking latches and remove the flex cables. Never damage the flex cables because they are kind of really sensitive and very thin. David is going to secure it for now with the tape so he can clean the sides of the housing. So the glass has been broken in a lot of places, so we have remnants of glass on the side of the housing that we need to scrape off, literally, on the corners as well. We have to make sure that no shards of glass remain inside the housing because it can affect the fit of the new display when we install it later, and of course it can affect some of the buttons and other components if there's some dirt or shards of glass left inside. Now it's clean. We're gonna get some replacement displays here. This one, because sometimes when you install a new display, it can work or not work. Sometimes it's just dead on arrival. So David is keeping some components handy in hand so that when that happens, he can just return it to the suppliers. And of course, these are quality repair parts that you can find on eBay. Sometimes when you do it yourself, if you plan on doing it yourself and you find some Apple's Watch Series 5 screens on eBay or Amazon, you tend to have problems with compatibility later on if you're not sure what you're doing or if you're not sure what you're buying into. So if you don't want the hassle of guessing or worrying about the compatibility of the parts that you're buying, or you don't have the skills or the tools to perform the repair yourself, just head on to your local repair service technician, repair shops, or you can just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center and we'll do the job for you. This is kind of really very intricate part of the repair. The one that's when you open it, there's a lot of small components, smaller than your iPhones or Android phones. So it's better to be sure than to spend money on things that will not work eventually. So with David here, you have the guarantee that it will be compatible, and if something goes wrong, he has some the troubleshooting experience since he's been doing it for a very long time. He's been in the business of repairing smartphones. He's been an advocate of saving the planet and of course fixing your existing stuff rather than buying brand new. And just like this one, you don't really need to buy a new Apple Watch because the screen is broken. You just have to replace the broken component and move on with your life. Save some cash and save the planet. As you can see here, the adhesives are very effective at putting the stuff inside, not bulging out. So it's now contained. You just have to clean the display and the sides for excess residue from the adhesive. I'm gonna clean this up and put some cover to the glass. It's not really gonna protect it, but it's good that you have this kind of extra protection. So if you have the same problem with your Apple Watch, if your Apple Watch has a dying battery, if it's just not lasting longer than what it used to be brand new, then you can just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center and we'll do the fix for you. We do the screens, the back cover, and of course the battery. All the components that are likely to fail, we can fix it for you. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have queries about mail-in repair service, you can also do that. Message us over our Facebook page and our website, and we'll see you again next time, guys. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.